My Company Overview. This section includes all the important information about your company. This is accessible from any page within the system. Just click on My Company under the banner. The tabs available depend on your credentials. The first tab is the My Company tab. Here you have access to your contact details, your billing details, and the global search resources. The second tab is the Price tab. Here you can see your current price lists. At the top, we can see the discounts offered for fuzzy matches. And at the bottom, the individual prices per word or minute for each type of task. The Planning tab is almost identical to the one in the My Account menu, and we will look more closely at the small differences later. The next tab is the People and Logins tab. The People and Logins tab gives you an overview of your login credentials and those of your employees. If you have a manager's account, you will see all the login details of your company users. The last tab is the Document tab. Here you will find all the documents that the system admin has made available to you. We will be looking at each of these tabs in more depth.